In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start earning hundreds of dollars every single day with Digistore 24, and I'm going to show you how to do this even as a complete beginner. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can get started and start generating passive income every single day with CPA and affiliate marketing. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And if for some reason it's not looking like this, you are going to see a section that says Marketplace on your screen. All you need to do is to click on Marketplace. So once you do that, you will be brought to this page where you can select various Digistore 24 products and start promoting right away. As you can see on the left hand section on this page, there are various products right here that you can pick and start promoting. All right, so I'm going to be taking the fitness niche as an example. So if I type in fitness in the search section right here, all I need to do is to click on search. So once I click on that, as you can see, I have 5 products available under fitness category that I can start promoting and start making money. Okay, so this one here is going to pay $99.24 for every single sale I bring to this product. And before you promote any affiliate product, I always recommend you go to the sales page of the product and check out what the sales page looks like. So if you come over to this section, all you need to do is to click on this sales page. So once you do that, as you can see, it's going to bring you to the sales page of this product, and you want to check out the sales page to see if it's worth your time or not. All right, so as you can see, this landing page is highly professional and well made. So all you need to do is to go back to your account and you want to click on the promote now button. So once you do that, it's going to show you your link, and all you just need to do is to copy your affiliate link. And now you have two options. You can either go over to a website like bit.ly.com to shorten your affiliate link, or you can use the likes of Google Sites, ClickFunnels, Breezy.io to create a landing page for this product. All right, so basically this is up to you. Whichever one you choose is absolutely fine. All right, so as not to prolong this video, I'm just going to take bit.ly as an example, and I'm just going to paste in the link right here, and you want to click on shorten. So now the next step is to start driving traffic to this link and start earning money. And the traffic source we are going to be using is TikTok. All right, so now as you can see, this is an account right here that is doing the same strategy that I'm about to show you in this video and exactly what I do myself. So if you come over to this account, if you scroll down, you are going to see they have a lot of videos. And if we take this video here as an example, as you can see right here, they don't even own this video. All right, this is the owner of this video right here. As you can see, they are giving credit to this person for using their video. And as you can see, this video has amassed over 700,000 views on this account. And with that huge traffic, if you are promoting any product, I can assure you a high percentage of these people are going to click on that product as long as the product is related to the video. So this is also another account right here that is doing the same strategy. All right, so if I scroll down here, you can see there's a lot of videos. If I take this one as an example, you can see this video is also not owned by this account, and it has gotten over 17,000 views already. And now you can see this is the real owner of this video. You can see as long as you give credit to the owner of these videos, you are going to be fine and you are not going to encounter any problem on TikTok. All right, so now what you want to do from here, all you just need to do is to download any video you want to use. So I'm going to take this video here as an example. All right, so if I copy the link to this video, okay, so all you need to do from here is to go over to this website called sssstick.io. So once you come over to this website, all you need to do is to paste in the video in this box and you want to click on download. So once you do that, as you can see, you can download the video without watermark. So once you click on download without watermark, it's going to start downloading to your device right away, as you can see right here. So once the video is completely downloaded, you want to head over to canva.com and you want to come over to this section that says videos. So once you come over here, all you just need to do is to select this mobile video. So once you do that, you want to come over to the upload section and you want to upload the video you just downloaded. So once you import the video, you want to then paste the video right here. Okay, so something like this, and you want to make sure to align the video properly. All right, so as you can see, this is the video right here. So what you want to do from here now, you want to come towards the end of this video, something like this, and you want to right click and you want to split the page. So once you split this is what you need to do, and you want to come to the text section and you want to drag this heading. You want to drag it right here, and here you want to change the color. So let's say maybe a white. So once you give it a white, then you want to give it an effect as well. So once you click on this effect, all you just need to do is to select any effect. So I'm going to take this one here as an example, and now I want to change the color of this effect as well. So let's say maybe black. All right. So now once you've added this text, all right, so you want to type in something like to burn fat quickly, click on my link. You want to scale this down a little bit and you want to rotate it a bit. All right. So something like this. So if I play this video right now, all right, you can see to burn fat quickly, click on my link. All right, which means you are going to paste the shortened link you made on Bitly, or if you created a landing page with Google Sites or whatever landing page builder you want to use, you want to make sure you paste the link in your bio. All right, so all you need to do from here is simple. You just want to click on the share button to download this video. So while the video is downloading, you want to come over to your Instagram account, and I must mention you want to create an Instagram account on this niche. So once you create your account, you want to also make sure to come over to your profile and you want to add your link in bio. So if you come over to the edit profile section, all right, you want to make sure to add your landing page or your shortened link right here, but you can only do this on your mobile device. So once you add the link in your bio, you want to come over to where it says create. So once you click on create, this is where you'll be able to upload the video. So I'm just going to upload the video. So you want to select the video from your device. All right, so I'm just going to upload the video. So once you upload the video, you want to come over to this section right here and you want to click on this 9:16. Okay, so once you click on 9:16, as you can see, it's going to display the full video. So as you can see, this is the video right here, and all you want to do is to click on next. You want to go back to TikTok, and all you just need to do is to copy the exact same thing this account used to repost this video without having any issue. And all you just need to do is to copy that. And once you copy that, you want to paste it in your Instagram account like this as well. All right, so once you do this, this is how you want to post as many videos these people are posting on their page to your Instagram account, and you are going to be getting traffic as well. And once they watch this video, a high percentage of those people are going to check out the link in your bio as shown right here, and many of them who come over to this landing page will definitely purchase this product. This is a very simple strategy you can use as a complete beginner. All you need to do is to find content on TikTok and you want to repost those content to Instagram. And once you do this, I can assure you, you are going to make a lot of money as well, because all these people are already interested in this niche and they will be interested in this product as well.
And also you can create an account on TikTok as well, and you can repeat the same strategy that you're doing on Instagram on TikTok as well. So if you combine Instagram and TikTok using this simple strategy, I can assure you that you are going to get thousands of views on your video. As you can see, these videos right here are getting thousands of views. And if you use Instagram and TikTok, you are going to get better results. That brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.